welcome back to my channel. Today this is an update of I Heart the 90s. I grew up in the 90s, so I know like a little bit more than the 80s, even though I was born in the 80s. That's how I roll. So first up was the baby lips to finish, and this is where I am currently at. So this is weighing at 13. So the same as last month, and I like use this a lot. So yeah. Burts Bees. This is how much I have left. So I'll be marking that, and this will be a finish next month, and that is weighing at 12. So it weighed at 18 last month, and now it's at 12, so working good. Britney Spears Perfume is an empty. I am super excited to get this as an empty. I love the bottle so much. But to get this out, and it was getting older, so I'm glad to get Perfume out, a full size. Even though I rolled it in halfway, I'm still proud of myself. Next is this sugar cookie hand lotion. I'm frankening this lotion, and the rest of it's in the bathroom. Frankened, but I'm working on it. It should be done in the next update, so I'm very excited. This is weighing at 38 instead of 100 because I'm just franking it, but that's what's left of it is 38 grams, so pretty good. I use this jumbo pencil in strawberry milk at 15. I use this 15 times, maybe even more, but I've been using it like in the inner portion of my eye, and sometimes very little, like on my eyelids as like a primer. So this has worked out pretty good. So I'm rolling this out. Let's see. Colorpop cream gel liner. This weighed out 4, and it is the same. So I use this quite a bit. It's still a lot though. And this stains your eyes. So it's in Jubilee, and I'm really loving this. I could have worn this today, but I wore black because I wore black underneath here. So still keeping this in. I kind of want to pan this out along with these two Colorpop Powerpuff Girl. This is in him. It weighed 7, and now it is weighing at 7, and then Princess 7. So both the same. I think I use probably him the most, maybe, possibly, but that's how much. There's not much in here, but it does last quite a while. I definitely want to purchase more of these because they're really good as primers. And that's Princess. So those 3 are definitely to finish. So I have these 2 rolling out. One's an empty, and this is definitely rolling out. I am gonna roll in the Almay. This is for number 4. Let me see what number 4 is, because I didn't feel like writing them down. I Will Always Love You, a product that had been a holy grail for a long time. And I like to put this right here in the brow bone. That's why it's like, it has like really good dip in it that I kind of want to hit pan in. I might want to just try to hit pan in it. can't finish. There's a lot of product. But definitely want to try to hit pan in the Almay. And this is in 100 Unicorn. I don't know if you can see that. But Unicorn, and it was just like, I mix it all together to make this brown bone highlighter. So, and number 5, no scrubs, a product you want to get out of your life. And this is really old, from Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is like a universal coconut balm. So you can use it on the skin, on the lips, just anywhere you have a dry spot. So I definitely want to, it's kind of like bubbling up. Probably has like an air bubble or something in it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Little universal cream. And then I usually put it on the lips or, you know, a dry spot. So that's what I'll be using that to finish. to hit pan. So I'm just bringing into, because I emptied out 2. Well, used up 1, and then you know what I'm saying. So again, this is I Heart the 90s updates. Everything will be down below.